So, you want to take control of your financial future? Maybe you're tired of watching the stock market climb while your savings account gathers dust. Or perhaps you've finally decided to turn that coffee money into something a little more profitable. Whatever your reason, congratulations. You've taken the first step towards building wealth through investing. But with all the online brokerages out there, where do you even begin? One name you're bound to come across is Questrade. It's a popular platform in Canada, known for its low fees and user-friendly interface. But here's the question that might be bugging you. Is Questrade actually free to use? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Let's dive deeper and unpack the true cost of using Questrade so you can decide if it fits your investing needs. Free to open an account? Absolutely. Here's some good news. Unlike some traditional brokerages, Questrade doesn't charge any fees to open an account. That means no initial investment just to get your foot in the door. You can sign up, explore the platform, get comfortable with the tools, all without spending a dime. Free to trade? Well, it depends. Alright, here's where things get interesting. Questrade does charge commissions for stock and ETF trades. However, these commissions are quite low compared to other brokerages. We're talking a flat fee of $10 per trade for Canadian and US securities. That might not seem like much, but if you're planning on making frequent trades, those fees can start to add up. Now, here's the sweet spot for budget-minded investors. Questrade lets you buy and sell ETFs commission-free. This is a huge advantage, especially for those who prefer a long-term, buy-and-hold strategy with diversified funds. Freebies and hidden costs, what to look out for. Questrade throws in some bonus features that can save you money in the long run. Their basic market data package, which includes stock and ETF quotes, is completely free. This might seem insignificant, but some brokerages charge a premium just for real-time data. However, there are a few potential hidden costs to be aware of. If you want access to more advanced data or research tools, you'll need to subscribe to a higher-tiered market data package, which comes with a monthly fee. There are also fees associated with certain account activities, like transferring funds out of your account or trading on margin. Make sure to check Questrade's fee schedule for a complete breakdown. Is Questrade right for you? Here's the bottom line. Questrade isn't entirely free, but it can be a very cost-effective option depending on your investing style. If you're a beginner or someone who prefers infrequent trades and commission-free ETFs, Questrade could be a great fit. But if you're an active trader who needs access to advanced data and tools, you might be better off with a platform that caters to that specific need, even if it comes with slightly higher base fees. The takeaway: do your research. The best way to decide if Questrade is right for you is to do your research. Compare their fees and features to other online brokerages. Consider your investment experience and future goals. Most importantly, don't be afraid to ask questions. Questrade offers a wealth of educational resources and customer support to help you make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.